Number 8. Run a Shopify store from your phone. Did you know you can manage an e-commerce store from the palm of your hand? That's right, Shopify offers a mobile app that lets you access everything required to manage your store from your phone. You can use the Shopify app to add products, manage inventory, fulfill orders, compare sales channels, talk with customers, and even keep revenue level in check. Although you may need to set up your store on a desktop initially, once you have got your store up and running, you can use the Shopify mobile app to run your day-to-day store operations when you are on the go. Number 9. Earn rewards for playing games. There are thousands of games available on today's smartphone app market. While most will just give you a way to spend your time, there are some apps out there to help you earn money while having fun. Must Play, for instance, in an app that lets you earn reward from playing games on your phone. In Mist Play, you play and level up in games to earn units. Mist Plays is an app currency, then you redeem units for gift cards to companies like iTunes, Amazon, and Best Buy. There is a variety of reasons on offer, including survivors, cars, puzzle, adventure, and strategy games. Number 10. Get paid or working. Most of us work a lot already. Where, whatever it is, talking a store with our dog or just community of the office. Sweet Coin is a handy app capable of converting each step take